In this video, I'll show you how to create a new drive in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So you can see currently that I have my C drive, but if we want to add another one, say a D drive for example, then what you need to do is come over to your start menu and just search for disk partition. Then select create and format hard disk. Now, in order to create a new drive, you first need to allocate some space from one of your existing drives. So the way we do that is by shrinking the space on one of our existing drives. So what you need to do is scroll down to this bottom section here and first decide on the drive that you want to shrink. So I'm just going to be shrinking my C drive over here, but if you have multiple drives, then just pick the one that you want to allocate space from. Then you need to right click on this middle section here and select shrink volume. So here you'll be able to type in the amount that you want to shrink this drive by, which is essentially how much space you want to allocate to your new drive. Now, one issue you may run into here is you're not able to actually really allocate any space. So you can see at the moment, it's only letting me allocate 526 megabytes, which is absolutely no space at all. So how you actually fix this, there's two different ways. The first thing you need to do is head over to your start menu and search for adjust the appearance, and then click on this window here. Then select advanced from the top. Underneath virtual memory, click on the change button, and you need to make sure this option down here is selected no paging file, and then you need to click on this set button. You'll get this warning message pop up. Just click on yes and then press OK, and then press apply and OK, and you will need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Once your computer's restarted, you'll then need to head over to your start menu, search for CMD, right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Then from here you're going to type in powercfg.exe /hibernate off and hit enter. Then once you've done that, you can close out of this window, head back over to the start menu and search for partition again, click on it like so, and then we can right click on our C drive and select shrink volume. And as you can see, we now have a lot more space to allocate. So I'm just going to set this to 8000, which is 8 gigabytes. You may need a lot more. It really depends on what you're using this for, and then click on shrink. So once that's finished shrinking, you'll have this now new window here, which says the amount of space unallocated. So all you need to do is right click on this window and select new simple volume. Go through the steps by pressing next, click next again, and then assign the letter you want to this drive. I'm just going to keep it nice and simple and keep it as my D drive. Select next. You can leave all of these settings as their defaults and hit next. Click finish. And now if I head back over to my computer, you can see we have two drives here, a C drive and a D drive. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.